English Idioms Unveiled. Run up a bill. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, run up a bill. This idiom is commonly used in English-speaking countries, and understanding it can really enhance your conversational skills. So, let's get started. Run up a bill means to accumulate a large amount of money that you owe, especially by purchasing goods or services on credit. The key here is the idea of accumulating debt over a period of time, rather than incurring a large expense at once. It's often used in contexts involving hotels, bars, phone services, or any scenario where you can accumulate charges before paying. To better understand run up a bill, let's look at some examples. 1. At a hotel. During our vacation, we ran up a huge bill at the hotel with room service and spa treatments. 2. With credit cards. Be careful with credit cards. It's easy to run up a bill without realizing it. 3. Phone bills. My teenager ran up a massive phone bill by calling her friends overseas. These examples show how the phrase is used in everyday situations. A common mistake learners make is confusing run up a bill with making a one-time expensive purchase. Remember, this phrase implies a gradual increase in debt. It's not used for a single, expensive item bought outright. Understanding synonyms can help you broaden your vocabulary. Similar phrases include accumulate debt, rack up charges, amass expenses. That's all for today's lesson on run up a bill. We hope this video has been informative and helps you in your journey of mastering English idioms. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using this phrase in your daily conversations. See you next time.